Repair of minor defects. Repair the following minor defects from anteroom, main room, toilet and bathroom. Guidelines on minor defects. Minor defects shall be fixed by room attendant immediately upon general cleaning and checkout cleaning. Loose knobs and screws. Loose spring bolts. Loose connection of telephones. Loose cable connection. Loose door stopper. Loose bowl cover. Loose shower knobs. Loose switch plate. Loose cloth hanger. Placement of chairs and tables rubber footing. Busted lights, wall and pin lights. TV fine-tuning and rechanneling. Minor peeled wallpaper. Clogged lavatory and bowl. Cigarettes burns on formica. Leveled float valve. Missing shower knobs indicator. Pencil marks or any act of vandalism. Note: defect not listed above shall be considered major defects, and shall be reported to the hotel maintenance man, or hotel handyman, and to the hotel supervisor, or lead man, on duty.